Hey everybody, today we got a contractor special. This is an awesome little 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with a pool, as you can see, which is currently empty. The home needs a lot of work, but it's in a great location here in estate Tipperary, adjacent to Seven Hills and a state site. End of the road, cul-de-sac location, the road literally dead ends right there. Fenced in yard and a lot of potential. It needs work, but if you want to put in some elbow grease, some time and money, you'd have a great house in a really good neighborhood at a starter price that you just can't beat. Let's go check this place out. Okay, here's the neighbor's fence. Here's the corner bound post. Looking across at the neighbor, down the fence line. This is north. This is west. Of course, that's south. The bush line here, there is an old fence in there that's no longer, functional, but it does run along the boundary line. But it's a huge yard. Got some nice big trees, nice flamboyant. That's looking up at a state site above. You got your power pole coming in there. That's a brand new transformer up there. And that's the other corner of the property. That would be on the southeast corner. A little dry, we need some rain, that's for sure. Got a little generator shed right there. This is a workshop, and then there's a separate little storage building, and then this is the house itself. The workshop and the storage building are wood frame, but the house is a masonry home. Now, again, this needs a lot of work, but if you're willing to put the time and energy into it, this would be a great starter home for somebody who wants to do some fixing up. The owner said that the pool was functional when they retired it several years ago, but of course you'd want to pressure test all of the lines and verify that. But structurally it looks pretty good. I'm not seeing any cracks or any issues. This wooden deck area with the steps needs to be rebuilt. That's starting to have some rotted wood and whatnot. And you do have a little bit of a crack in the patio here, but that's a separate pour from the pool itself. So I'm not seeing anything structural with the pool. And it's a deep pool. I'm going to say that's probably 9, maybe even 10 feet deep, and a great lap pool. But it's just a cute little place. So much potential. Just got to get out the hammer, screw gun, new lumber, and get at it. Little pedestrian gate. So this would be a great fenced-in dog area right here, this whole pool area. Nice tree. You got some orchids growing here under this huge neem tree. Check this out. Put a little orchid fertilizer on those things and they will bloom within a week or two. All right, let's head up to the house and check the front side. Okay, this is the main road coming in. It dead ends at this property boundary here. So it's totally private location. Neighbor just sold and has been totally renovated. So that's a beautiful home next door. This one needs the same treatment. Lots of parking, nice little turnaround here around the calabash tree. Got some flamboyant that need to be trimmed. A lot of native landscaping that could be brought back pretty easily. There's your front door there, and then we'll shoot around. Additional parking. In fact, you can drive all the way around to the back by the pool. And then on this side, you've got a secondary laundry room, kitchen door. Your cistern pump is in here. And then here is the storage shed right here. Workshop. Take a quick peek in here. Nice little workshop. Looks like it's in really good shape too. Structurally, all the lumber looks good. Don't see any leaks. Plywood floor. Great little spot for a man cave, workshop, storage, whatever you want to make. Maybe a generator or a solar building. Awesome little space. And then again, you got the additional storage. And then off to the left here is a little generator shed. So you've got your transfer switch, electrical stuff is already in place there. And then it looks like there's a loft up above in that workshop. But all right, that's the outside of the house. Now let's go look at the inside. All right, in the front door we go. As soon as you come in, you've got a really nice big living room, high ceilings. You've got a bedroom and a bath on that end, and another bedroom and a bath on this end. Let's shoot this way first. So we come in here, another good sized bedroom. These are 12-inch tiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, by 16. That's a good sized room. And then there's an ensuite bath here. You got your vanity, you got your tub and shower. And then you've got walk-in closet there. So good sized guest bedroom. The master bedroom's actually on the other end. And then there's doors that head out here to the patio. Obviously you've got, you know, some clean up, some paint up, some fix up, and you got a little, I noticed that the other day, it looks like a debris strike maybe from a hurricane. And then this long gallery runs the whole length of the house. And here you are looking out at the pool. So this is a really cool screened in area. Has a lot of potential. And then the master bedroom has doors just like mirror image of that side out to the patio here. So pretty cool setup, pretty cool layout. And like I mentioned before, this deck they did some repairs to it, but as you can see, there's still a lot of issues. So these aren't really functional. If you walk out here on the joists, here we are looking from the house out to the yard. But imagine that pool all filled, turquoise blue, sparkly yum. Woohoo! Be sweet. Maybe you could even do a slide from here right in. All right. We'll head back in to the dining kitchen area, which obviously this would need to be renoed, of course. That's the bedroom we came in the front door and went through. And then right off the kitchen, you've got this little pantry, full-size washer dryer, which is actually pretty new. You know, it's gonna take some work, but at the price and at the location, it's pretty hard to beat. And Pirate Bendy comes with it. Another walk-in closet here, vanity, basically a mirror image of the other side. So I'll head back out the side door here through the pantry. And then here's your main panel, functional. And then here we are back out to the cistern pump and side yard storage room. So that's 21 Tipperary, everybody. If you're interested in it, give us a call. Love to show it to you. Like I said, it needs some work, but at this price, I think it's totally doable. All right, in the meantime, have a good day. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, click down here to subscribe, click up here for more just like it, and right up here to go to our website to see everything about real estate in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.